Super 7 Sports Production.
Starving Artist Group Emergency Liquidation Art Sale for one day only. Save up to 70%. Huge sofa-size original oil paintings from $19. Smaller paintings from $3. Thousands of beautiful original oil paintings by talented professional artists with absolutely nothing over $49. Starving Artist quality at rock-bottom Starving Artist prices. This Sunday at the Midland Hilton on West Wall Avenue and the Odessa Hilton on Loop 388. Absolutely nothing over $49. This Sunday only, 11 to 4.
Ladies, Woods Boots wants to help you spruce up your wardrobe with great styles from Panhandle Slim, Rocky Mountain, and Roper, all with colorful shirts to match. We also have the accessories to finish the look, from belts and buckles to earrings and purses. And of course we have boots, boots and more boots. For the right look at the right price, it's Woods Boots in Odessa.
Woods Boots, the most walked about boots in Texas.
Excellence, possessing outstanding qualities. Super 7 and PIC recognizes excellence in Katherine Khols of the Stanton ISD in Stanton. Katherine is a recipient of PIC's 1991 Golden Apple Award for excellence in the teaching of students at risk of leaving school without completing their high school education. Katherine Khols, a true definition of excellence. Super 7 in the Permian Basin Private Industry Council, investing in education today for a quality workforce tomorrow.
Premier Discreet connections. Hot and bold. Pick up your phone now and dial 1-900-976-CHAT and talk live one-on-one with one of our sensuous ladies. 1-900-976-2.
An exciting finish to